So this is how you make a logo. So what I usually do is I go on canva.com because it's so easy to make a logo doing that. So once you go on canva.com, you're taken to the home screen, and then all you need to do in the search bar, or you can hit logo right here, type in the search bar, you can hit logo. Then depending on what type of logo you're trying to make, they got all these other options. They got bash, they got computer logo, they got sports, fashion, event. Now I know a lot of people do like logo design with like a t-shirt, so this is what we're gonna choose. It pulls up this. Now these are templates you can mess around with. So if you like a template that you like, you could go ahead and pick it. And let me tell you, if you don't have an upgraded account, you gotta pay for it. Like something like this, the Shaw and Sons Coffee House, that's a paid, so your account gotta be upgraded. But they got a lot of free ones as well. Bax Clothing Company, got a lot of these. Which one do I want to do? I'm gonna go with, I like this one, Here to Play. You know what? I'm gonna go with Car Care Auto. Oh, that's a paid one. Or if you even really want it, you could do a Create Blank Logo t-shirt. I'm not gonna do that, so I'm gonna go with this one, Auto Repair one. Now this pops up as soon as you click it. 4 tips for a brilliant tee. Your design will be printed on the front of the t-shirts. Blah blah blah. So I'm gonna click Start Designing. So right here, we can get into it. I can change the lettering of it, and I can change the wording of it. I'm gonna call it Cool Car Design. Now for me, the lettering is too big, so I'm gonna have to shrink it down. So the font size is like 186. I mean, make it about 22. Let's see what it does. That's a little bit way too small. Now with this, it's giving me that purple box, pretty much indicating that you got to stay within that box. So that's what I'm gonna do. For some reason, my auto repair, oh there it is. I'm gonna just change it to Flames Auto Repair. Now what I can do is I'm gonna go to Elements. I'm gonna look up a car. So these right here, when I type in car, now what I did is I went to elements and I typed in car, and these are the ones that's free. So which ones I'm liking is I'm gonna go with probably this one. I like that. And what I can do too, I can change the color of it as well. Instead of it being all red, I can change the red to green. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna choose another card and I'm gonna flip it. And I want to make this color probably blue. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna make that color blue. And if I want to do something else, to be honest with you guys, I like the logo. Flames Auto Repair. Now, I can play around with making it bigger, but I already like the size, so I'm really not gonna mess around with that. And I'm gonna add a little yellow down at the bottom. So I'm gonna go to elements again, type in star. Now it's really just all about just using your imagination when it comes to doing this. Ain't really no blueprint of doing it, just use your imagination. See how I put that little star right up in the middle between the two cars? And I got one more idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in shapes, and I'm gonna mess around with a couple shapes. Like I said, just using your imagination when it comes to doing this. And I want some more yellow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shrink this down. As much as it goes. So when I try to copy and paste, it brings up this. So all I gotta do is just Control C and then Control V, and that will paste it. So obviously I can't right click and hit paste because that window come up. So I'm gonna do a Control V. And that, guys, that's how you make a logo for free. Just like that. It took about 10 minutes to do, and it's free. Like, comment, and subscribe.